everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my classic happy planner for the week of May 11th through the 17th. And for this week's theme, I'm going to be doing teal and silver. I'm really excited about this. I think it's a great color combination. Something you don't see all the time, but I think really goes well together. In fact, I prefer silver. I'm not really much of a gold person. My wedding bands are silver. I like silver jewelry. This is as close to teal washi tape as I could find, or that I had, I should say. Hopefully it'll be okay. There's my washi tape. Now, I've gone ahead and pre-selected some teal and silver stickers. This will be my quote sticker. Not the biggest, but I think it definitely is teal. Dream with all your heart. I had a lot of these, I have a lot of these silver stickers, silver box stickers. So I'm going to use them kind of as foundational pieces. Okay. Typically I like to have a big weekend box sticker here, but I didn't have any in the color scheme I wanted, so I'm gonna have to get a little creative here. I'm gonna take one of these long silver ones. I don't know if you can tell, but this blue, or what I thought was more teal, is more blue. It's throwing off my color scheme. So, bye-bye. And it ripped the sticker a little bit. But I need some teal underneath. Matchy? Doesn't match, but that's okay, it's close enough. There. I wonder if I have any silver confetti dots. Let's look. Do you guys ever do this? Do you peel up the backing so the stickers are easier to get off? Because when they try to cut them with the machine, it doesn't always go through. It's quite annoying. Okay, well, I think that looks really cute. I'm glad I added the confetti dots. So that's going to be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to be notified of more content I post, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, thanks guys, bye.